The ENGWE P1 folding electric bike is a versatile and compact city commuter that combines power, comfort, and practicality in a smart, foldable design. Powered by a 250W brushless DC motor, it delivers a smooth, quiet, and energy-efficient ride, making it an excellent choice for daily urban commuting or casual countryside exploration. Whether you're navigating crowded city streets, cruising through parks, or riding along uneven rural paths, the P1 offers a stable and effortless experience suited for all riders. At the heart of its performance is a 36V 13Ah lithium-ion battery, which provides an impressive range of up to 80 kilometers in pedal assist mode. This long-lasting battery is securely integrated into the bike's frame and features a built-in lock to protect it from theft, allowing you to park your bike with peace of mind. With a full charge time of just a few hours, the P1 is ready to get you through several days of commuting or extended weekend rides without needing a recharge. The P1 rides on durable 20-inch wheels fitted with 2.3-inch wide all-terrain tires, offering enhanced shock absorption, grip, and stability. These tires are designed to handle a variety of surfaces, from urban pavements and cobblestones to gravel paths and park trails, giving you the freedom to ride wherever your day takes you. The low center of gravity and sturdy folding frame also provide added safety and balance, especially at lower speeds or during frequent stops. One of the standout features of the ENGWE P1 is its modern LCD color display, which shows all the essential ride data at a glance: speed, battery level, distance, assist mode, and more. The display also allows for easy switching between power modes and control of the integrated lighting system, adapting to changing light and road conditions with ease. Whether you're heading out before sunrise or returning after dark, you'll stay visible and safe with the built-in lighting controls. The folding design makes the P1 incredibly practical for commuters who need to store their bike in small apartments, car trunks, or carry it on public transportation. It folds down compactly in seconds, allowing you to take it almost anywhere without hassle. Despite its compact form, it features a sturdy aluminum frame capable of supporting a wide range of riders and offers ergonomic handlebars and saddle for added comfort during longer rides. Overall, the ENGWE P1 is not just another folding electric bike, it's a well-rounded, feature-packed solution for modern urban living. It blends the portability of a folding bike with the performance and range of a much larger e-bike, making it ideal for students, office workers, and casual riders who value convenience, efficiency, and a touch of style in their daily commute.